Chief guest, Mr. M. Salahuddin Khan Masu, District Rotaract Representative 2016 and 2017. Respected guest of honor, Mr. Moin Ahmed Robin, President-elect 2017-18 Mastic Greater Dhaka. Respected faculty members, officers, staff, students, patients, my dear Rotaractors. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to you all. This is Biplab Kandidash, convener of first installation and charter program of Rotaract Club of IUBAT University. I have the privilege to welcome you all on behalf of the university and on my personal behalf on the celebration of first installation and charter program of Rotaract Club of IUBAT University. Rotaract Club of IUBAT University is the first of its kind in the campus of IUBAT University, which focuses more and more on serving the humanity and thereby developing social responsibility global citizen. The visionary Rotarian, past President Professor Dr. Malimullah Mian, Chartered past President of Rotary Club of Greater Dhaka and founder and Vice Chancellor of IUBAT University, fully shares the vision of the Rotary International in developing holistic personality among the young generation. This led to emergency to the Rotary Club of IUBAT University and the sponsoring club of the Rotary Club of Greater Dhaka. Initiated in 2008. It has taken around several years to bring this club in this present height, and finally the program and activities of the club have been duly recognized through approval of the immediate past president of the Rotary Club of Greater Dhaka, Rotarian Selina Nargis, also provided invaluable guidelines. Presently, this club has 87 members and the size of membership is increasing day by day. With the support of the sponsoring club and active participation of its members, this club is carrying out member of programs and activities. The Rotaractors are now finding membership as an opportunity for mutual interaction, expansion of personal network, development of communication skill set, and leadership qualities. The club works for organizing entertaining and innovative fundraising events to help the poor and helpless people during their hard time to have a change in the community, with the belief in their heart that youth can do everything. Recent events have included Easter party, food distribution to share the joy of Eid with the flood-affected people, blood donation camp, financial contribution for sick students of the IUBAT University, and so many. The club is active not only inside the campus but also outside the campus as well. Besides that, the club of IUBAT University is planning to accomplish some more activities such as visit old homes, distribution warm clothes in winter and tree dart campaign, develop Clean City program and celebration the days 11 with Rotary family. The club believes that it will go a long way with the support and cooperation of Rotary International and the members of IUBAT University in future to cherish the name not only in the national level but also globally by doing various humanitarian work frequently. My heartiest congratulations to the President, members of the board and all members of this newly formed RCIU who have decided to join the community of 9,000 clubs spread around the world and 2 lakh members and take a lead in serving the humanity. And at the same time, I take the share of my pride that our activities are being recognized and our actions are bringing results. My involvement with this development of this club began with the assignment of the respected Vice Chancellor and founder of IUBAT University, Rotarian Professor Dr. Malimullah Mian, and thereafter by the help of our Director Administration, Rotarian Selina Nargis, for formation of this club. Since then, I have been working to get this done and as an advisor of this club. I'm happy of what we have achieved in terms of getting the club formed, helping the disaster victim, volunteering in Rotary programs and activities and the like. I'm very much optimistic that this club will build a strong foundation for future Rotary, take one new role to serve the humanity and take the vision of Rotary International forward. At last, I would like to welcome you all again in this beautiful and memorable day, which we celebrate together to share one platform. Hope you will enjoy the rest of the program together. Thank you very much.